Friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review the chef basket Durum with penne pasta, and this is from the brand Wakefield. Wakefield has another brand called Chef Basket as well, and they make pasta right here. So this is the Chef Basket Durum wheat penne pasta, a quality product from Wakefield. So guys, today we are going to review this. So let's start off with the review of the product. So we're going to start off with the packaging. It comes packaged in this pouch right here with a transparent part here through which you all can actually see the pasta. You all have the Chef Basket branding right on top. It says Durum wheat pen pasta. The nutritional information is right here in the front of the pack itself. A 55-gram serving contains 194 kcals of calories, 0.3 grams of fat, 0 grams of cholesterol, saturated fats, no added sugar, 3 milligrams of sodium. So right in the face of it, they are given the nutritional information. It says quality product from Wakefield. Now moving on to the side of the pack. Love food, love Chef Basket. We are explorers and we don't settle. We experiment, travel and take on new adventures. This quest of something new made us carve a fresh culinary experience for you in the all-new Chef Basket. This pen has stories of our walks through Mediterranean streets as we tried variations of pastas at cafes and home kitchens. It is the finest of our finds from the culinary cultures we are bringing to you one pack at a time. With Chef Basket, appetite creates adventure. On the other side, they have a bit more information about Wakefield. Since 1956, Wakefield has been creating a world of wholesome and delicious products, bringing the goodness of global cuisine to homes and delighting the taste buds of millions in India and abroad. Enjoy the world's finest from Wakefield. Now they are giving some recipe suggestions here as well. You can boil 1 liter water with a teaspoon of salt and add 2 cups of pasta to it, like 100 grams of pasta. Cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. Strain the water, add 1 or 2 teaspoons of cooking oil and toss the pasta. You can also saute this boiled pasta with veggies like bell pepper, mushroom, cherry tomatoes, broccoli in a pan and enjoy it. You can, if you're a non-vegetarian, you can add meat to it. You can add shrimps to it as well. Chef Basket pasta sauce mix of your choice to the pan and cook as per its recipe suggestion. Add the boiled pasta and gently toss, garnish with seasoning and chili flakes and serve it hot. Now coming to the back of the pack, guys, let's talk about the net weight of this. This is a 500-gram pack and the shelf life is 4 months, and the MRP of this product is rupees 180 for 500 grams, which is a decent price for a Durum wheat pasta that we have here. Now let's look at the ingredients. Ingredients is very simple. It's just wheat semolina, Durum wheat semolina, which is used to make this pasta, right? And allergy advice: contains wheat, gluten, may contain traces of nuts and milk as well. So that's all the information here, guys. You can see the pasta in it. Looks amazing. Penne shaped pasta. So yeah, I have tried this pasta even before and I love it because it doesn't become sticky. You just have to cook it at the right amount of with the right amount of water and for the right amount of time, and it will turn out perfect. While cooking, add in some oil so that your pasta doesn't stick together. That's one tip that will help you all always get loose pasta all the time, right? Guys, if you are looking to buy this, it's also available on Amazon. You can check it out. I left a link in description so you can directly check it out from there. And guys, if you like these videos, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.